In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage vendor deposits in QuickBooks Online. If you need to pay a vendor a deposit before receiving the final invoice, it's important to record that payment the right way so QuickBooks can apply it later as a credit. This helps keep your accounts payable accurate and makes sure you don't accidentally overstate your expenses. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along inside QuickBooks Online. To begin, go to the Create button at the top left of your screen. From there, select Expense or Check depending on how you want to record the deposit payment. In most cases, either option will work as long as you are using the correct payment method for how the money actually left your account. Next, choose the bank account the deposit is being paid from. This is an important step because it ensures the transaction is connected to the right account in your books. After that, in the Payee field, select the vendor who is receiving the deposit. Be sure to choose the correct vendor-owned profile, since this is what allows QuickBooks to connect the deposit to a future bill. Now move down to the Category Details section. Here, instead of choosing an expense account, select Accounts Payable. This is the key part of the process. Using Accounts Payable tells QuickBooks that this payment is not the final expense yet, but rather a prepaid amount that should stay tied to that vendor until their actual bill arrives. Once that's done, click Save and Close. When the vendor later sends the final invoice or bill, go to New and select Bill. Enter the bill details the way you normally would, including the correct categories, amounts, and any other relevant information. Save the bill once everything looks right. After the bill has been entered, go back to New and select Pay Bills. Find the bill you just created and select it. QuickBooks will automatically recognize that there is a vendor credit available from the deposit you recorded earlier. You should see the option to apply that credit to the bill. Check the box to apply it. This step reduces the amount still owed by the amount of the deposit, which is exactly what you want. It keeps your vendor balance accurate and ensures the deposit is properly cleared from accounts payable. Finally, click Save and Close. And that's how to manage vendor deposits in QuickBooks Online. If you follow this workflow, your records will stay clean, your bills will match your actual payments, and reconciling your books will be much easier later on.